kini ki update jong COVID-19 status ke badai mentagasni. Baru ki new case bertemai mendasi long sispa pra. La is Hills, South Ulai, inyo ki armed forces, but life and Rio ki day ki fight ba. Riboy districts are punyo cases, fra ki armed forces, but Katkandai ki others. West Gentile Hills and Rio, others. North Garo Hills are others. South Garo Hills Iway, other. East Gentile Hills District South, others. And Southwest Khasi Hills Iway, other. But the West Garo Hills District, Arpu South, Arpu ki armed forces, but South Kiway, Kidei Kiway. Tikani kedai ke latest update jong COVID-19 ng badai mentagasni. The number of samples sent for testing till today, the 4th September, there are 95,457. Those who are tested negative till today, there are 91,989. The result, till we are waiting, there are 734. The entrants coming from outside Meghalaya, there are 33,333. 33,333. Kini baru kini kiba ladap test adu mentagasni jabla adap ban pha ban ne ek test hadu mentagasni ilong kendai pusan hajar sauspa san punyo kiba test negative adu mentagasni ilong kendai puwe hajar kendai spa prapo kendai nakta kiba dang up pade ya ka result ne report kiba dang up ya test kilong news pa lai pusau but kito gibon pai pode na sabar jong ka Meghalaya adu mentagasni South Trip September arpo kide live po lai hajar lai spa lai po lai kini ki update jong ka COVID status in the state of Meghalaya. East Khasi Hills kilo 842, West Khasi Hills 31, Southwest Khasi Hills 1, Riboy District 91, West Gentile Hills District 3, East Gentile Hills District 25, West Garo Hills District 140, Southwest Garo Hills District 3, and South Garo Hills District 22, East Garo Hills 83, and North Garo Hills District 6. The total active cases, there are 1,252.
Recovery, sir?
Total recovery, this 1,468. 1,468. But yap clot positive. They napo they Rita G moment san puganda isnam karta. Iklat hapo negrim. Ibadai nang te napo crinoline quarter. Yames quarter jong. So kini ko update jong ka COVID status hapo state jong.